back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a coffee bean and tea leaf special orders product. You have to do this pre-order, so my wife pre-ordered this. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Hopefully there's no invoice in here. Oh, got this S popcorn. Yikes. Oh my god. This one's a big matcha. Shizuoka powder. I can see coffee bean, tea leaf. So she got 2 bags of this. That's a SKU number. And then it is matcha Shizuoka latte powder mix, 4-pound bulk bag, pre-order. Naturally and artificially flavored. 4-pound or 1.81 kilogram. So this is made from Camarillo, California. Manufacture date is March 12, 2020. Expired June 12, 2021. And here are some of the ingredients. Alright, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.